is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful day on the channel. If you don't know me, I am Baked, and I'm just your normal everyday motor vlogger. I haven't been making a long video in a minute because I was trying out, you know, just doing like short form content, but low-key I enjoy making actual YouTube videos more, so we back at it. But the weather is absolutely gorgeous today. It's freaking 70 degrees out in January. God dang. Absolutely gorgeous riding weather. So we are going to the lot. Got a lot that's like about 20-ish minutes away. There's one closer, but this one's better. I like it more, so we hitting up that lot. Oh, that was an undercover cop. Frick you! I see you, boy. You ain't no real cop, boy. But yeah, we're going up to the lot. Work on some stoppies and wheelies. Usual stuff. I am glad I put on my hoodie though, because I was just gonna wear my jacket and a t-shirt. My riding jacket, which is very breathable in a t-shirt, but it's a little bit chilly in the wind, but holy crap, it feels so good. Everybody complaining about the heat in the winter, but I love it because I am a motorcyclist and I love riding, so obviously I want it to be warm year round, bruh. Like what? Fix my posture. I'm about to need a new rear tire, actually. That has nothing to do with my posture, but I just thought of it. Because I ran that shit at like 15 PSI like a dummy. So I'm not doing that with the next tire. Woo! Close to red line. I actually do have to be very vigilant though when I do wheelies, because I already got a freaking ticket. They gave me goddamn reckless driving, so I'm fighting that right now. Not fighting it, you know, just waiting for my court date. So I actually gotta look out for cops. Like double time swing. Get off. I gotta. Yeah, but y'all know how to wait. Y'all know how to wait. Y'all know how to wait.
I know. Y'all. Give me. Shut the fuck.
I gotta get on the highway for one exit, so should not be too bad. The highway on this thing is not bad for a short period of time, but after like 30 minutes, it's like holy bing. That's bright. Oh yeah, I got a diesel. Yeah, you like that, boy? Holy crap, this is sketchy. What the frick? Get me out of here. Yeah, sorry, I'm not sitting there waiting to get rear-ended, bruh. God dang, they need to freaking do something with this exit. Ta-da, our beautiful lot. Oh, we got a truck. Oh man, we're right in the freaking sun. Oh well. Oh yeah. Look at this lot. Little stoppy. What is that? Yo, that's a freaking firework. Who been shooting fireworks on my lot, bruh? It's not really mine, but I come here. Yeet! That's funny. Some takeover kids found it with their fireworks. I guess it was just New Year's. Oh yeah. Feels good. Alright, y'all, pretty good little lot sesh. Absolutely gorgeous sunset. So the sun is setting though, so I think I'm about to head out. Got a few things to do up back at the house, but trying to work on my stoppies more than my wheelies right now. I'm getting up to second gear in my stoppies now because I almost got first topped out. But you know, any tips y'all got, leave it down in the comments, because I'm still a noob at stoppies the most, because they kind of scary, not gonna lie. I can roll in for like a good maybe 50 feet. I want to get up there. Move your butt. Are we dead-os right now? Excuse me. Screw you, Kia Soul. Just kidding. I don't hate the driver, hate the car, bro. I hate the car, I don't hate the driver. Biker, biker, biker! What up? I like it! That's actually a really cool color. I've never seen, it's like key lime green. Never seen that on a bike before. Bro got a brand new Ninja 500. Hell yeah, boy. I would recommend some boots, bro. Actually, let me not say that. I'm wearing Jordans. Anyways, that's gonna be it from your boy today. Hopefully y'all enjoyed that little video. Finally back making actual YouTube videos, because screw the short form content. This is more fun. Anyways, I'll see y'all later.